Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley if you're new here. In today's video, I'm doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. BoxyCharm, it got delivered to... So, let's open it up and see what we got. So, I am going to use this little guy first. So this is... Did I not get a card? There's no card. Okay. Anyway, this is the QMS Medi-Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector Lip Serum. And so it just twists like this. And it says, lightweight serum formulated to hydrate and plump the lips for a smoother, youthful complexion. Or complexion. Appearance. Skin type for all. Is this bugging you? Because this light is bugging the crap out of me. Okay. So I'm going to squirt a little bit onto my hand. Why am I doing this hand? I'm right-handed. Oh. Okay. The heck? It like won't pump without closing. Hello? Oh, very syrupy. Doesn't have a scent. Or I don't think it has a scent. Oh! No, that's my sister, but I'm gonna shout out Katie and her mom Renee because they've been asking me to. So this video is for y'all. Okay, I like that. I do. Okay, the next thing in the box, as I frantically took everything out trying to search for the card. So I like that. It's not sticky. Will it really help my lips? Who knows? Next thing I see is this. This is the Living in Color palette. Hank and Henry? I've never heard of Hank and Henry. But that is the brand of this palette, Hank and Henry. Ooh, it's very bulky. Very, very bulky. Oh, got some color in there. Okay. I see the color. Okie dokie. Or jokey. So that's what the palette looks like. I'm glad I started with my face first, or my eyes first, because who knows if it's going to have a lot of fallout. I'm going to prime my eyelids. Don't judge me. I never wash my makeup brushes. I know I need to. But they're the same as last video. So I think I'm going to dive into, actually, I don't even know what color I'm going to dive into. This orange, I guess, which is the color Rustique. So I'm just going to dive into that. Ooh, wow. Has a lot of pickup. right now it's going to be it on the eyes. I like this palette. It's very pigmented and very easy to blend. Like, very surprised. Okay, Hank and Henry. Do you see some tweezers in the box? These tweezers from Shella. I don't have anything to pluck. Well, my eyebrows a little bit, but I don't do that when I have makeup on. I do that like after the shower. If I can get it out. I can use you or I can... There we go. Well, it feels like really quality tweezers. Wow. And I guess you go like that with a little thing. Next thing I see in the box is a liquid highlighter by Kat Von D. It's called Metal Crush. I am going to do the rest of my face so I can put this bad boy on. So I will do that now. But anyway, so to test out the Kat Von D Metal Crush. I hope it's a shade I can use, you know. Not too dark of one. So it looks like. Looks like you have to pump it up. Well, there it goes. I didn't set my foundation yet because it's a liquid highlighter, so I wanted to give it a fair shot. Ooh. I like that. I'm going to blend it out with my finger a little bit. Ooh, y'all see that? Ooh, I like that. I've never tried anything from Kat Von D. I like that a lot. We're going to put a little right there. This reminds me of this Benefit liquid highlighter. Ooh. I put a little too much in my Cupid's bow. That I used to have. It was one of my first makeup purchases. I look crazy right now. I ever made. Okay, we got a little too much on the Cupid's bow, but that's okay. Wow, I like that. I feel like it's pretty natural, like the way it catches the light. Wow, big fan of that. Big fan of that. I am going to dive back into this eyeshadow palette and just do my lower lash line, because I love doing a lower lash line. We're going to do that deep brown shade, this one, right on the lower outer part. I like it. Okay. And then I'm going to take the highlighter and just do my brow bone. Highlight. And I'll do my inner corners with it too, if I can get in my inner corners. Oh. That might have been a mistake. It everywhere. That's okay. Okay. Now let's look at the last product in the box. It's a Becca glue. So yeah, I like this look. I liked everything in the palette. I liked everything in the box this month. I really did. I liked the highlighter. The eyeshadow was really nice. I liked the lipstick. Even this lip gloss. Even though it does not go with this look at all. I like the lip color. And yeah, with the lip thing. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you subscribe to BoxyCharm, leave a comment down below and let me know if you got the same box, different box. What did you get? Did you get any of the same exact items? And I'll comment back. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.